Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Dell 22 series monitor, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable eye comfort mode on this device. To do it, you need to set a good preset or a good color preset on this device. So to do it, firstly click on one of the navigation buttons and click on the color settings. If you have no color settings shortcut here, just click on the settings button, then choose color here and click on the right arrow. Now use preset modes, click on the right arrow again, and here you will see comfort view mode. In this mode, blue lights are dimmer and warm colors, warm lights are brighter. And now just click on the OK button and just go back. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.